Let's go 5. Lesson 16. Feel, smell, look, sound, taste. Listen and repeat. How does it feel?
It feels soft.
How does it feel?
It feels hard.
How does it feel?
It feels smooth.
How does it feel?
It feels rough.
How does it taste?
It tastes sweet.
How does it taste?
It tastes sour.
How does it taste?
It tastes spicy.
How does it taste?
It tastes bitter.
How does it sound?
It sounds loud.
How does it sound?
It sounds quiet.
How does it sound?
It sounds buzzing.
How does it sound?
It sounds deafening.
How does it look?
It looks bright.
How does it look?
It looks ugly.
How does it look?
It looks colorful.
How does it look?
It looks neat.
How does it smell?
It smells fresh.
How does it smell?
It smells minty.
How does it smell?
It smells foul.
How does it smell?
It smells fragrant.